Here's some air conditioners. There's a Mitsubishi. That's blowing up really hard air. Let's see. Oh, that's cold and sweaty. That's not that warm. That's hot air. Here's a WeatherKing. Emerson scroll. That hasn't been running. Oh, the tag. June 2021. Model. 2-ton. Here's another one. This one's not running. And the manufacture date is May 2018. That it has not been running. Oh, I got to hook up this mini split here. You should feel this air, Dad. It's really hot. Yeah, that's a lot of heat. And that is from... That's serial number. I think that's 2020. This line is extremely cold. Very sweaty. And this line is actually not warm at all. There's something in there that sounds terrible. I wonder if there's more units here. Oh. Yeah. This is like the hottest air I've ever felt come from a unit. There's the filter dryer. Let's see. So, alright, yeah. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.